Consider yourself very lucky because you clicked on this video and I am going to show you your very personal AI SEO agent. So not only it fixes your website complete SEO in just under 1 minute and one click, you can also improve the quality of article. So if you are using Arvow, you can use it for complete on page of your website and it provides very high quality articles for your website as well. So if you want to use Arvow, basically it comes with a $40 subscription, monthly subscription, and like it is very useful because like content writers charge somewhere around like $50 to $150 per article, and using Arvow you can generate a lot of article for like fraction of cost, and like it also does like SEO and other stuff for your website as well. So if you want to generate articles for your website in just under 1 minute, all you have to do is you have to click on this article, generate articles, and SEO articles, and after that you have to place your keywords there and you have to simply click on just one button, generate articles, and your article will be ready in under 1 minute. But that is not what we are here for today. So if you want to optimize your complete website with just one click, you have to click here, you have to click on site optimizers, and you have to create a site optimizer for your website. So for example, if you want to create a new site optimizer, you simply have to name that, and like you have to add the URL of your website. Be careful that you have to place the correct URL of your website so Arvow can scan your website correctly. After that, you have to select your language. You have to like add the maximum pages which Arvow can scan for your website. Say for example, if your website is having 500 pages or 5000 pages, you can add the number according to your size of your website. You this part is like optional. You can also add the sitemap of your website as well, but I generally leave it blank because generally fetches everything from just the URL of your website. So currently I have like created two site optimizers, so I'm going to show you like one of the site optimizer. So for example, I'm going to click on this client one, and after clicking you will see your screen will look something like this. Now here you can see the URL of your like website, and after that live optimization, basically the optimizations which you have applied on your website. So using Arvow's intelligent AI agent, so what Arvow has done is it has applied over 640 optimizations on my website, and all are live. So let me show you. So for example, I have optimized like around 98 pages of my website, and it also provides you with a why explanation. So why Arvow has chosen this specific title for that particular page. So if you want to simply unapply it, you can do it from here, and if you want to apply, there is an option. Basically once you select that, you can also like apply from here. Just giving you an example, since like I have applied all the optimization. And for the installation part, the installation is very smooth and very simple. If you have a website, you simply have to copy paste this code into every page you want to optimize in the header of that page. So you can use any plugin. If you have custom website, you can like do this manually as well. So after that, you can also optimize the like meta description. You can optimize canonical. The main thing which a website SEO lags is like the alt images. So we are having like thousands of images on our website, and doing the optimization of the image manually is a very tedious and like very time taking task. But if you have like 10,000 images on your website, you can select all the images and you can apply the complete optimization in just under one click. You can do internal linking. You can also add schema to like your pages, and you can also add article schema if you have a blog section on your page. So basically it's a very intelligent like AI, you can call it a AI robot who's doing like SEO on your website. So you can for example, it's a very smart SEO agent, has given me like excellent result as of now. So basically I'm using it for all my clients as of now, and it generally the work which was taking like few weeks to like months, it is doing everything within a time frame of like 1 or 2 days. So like for example, I know it's like AI intelligent, like very intelligent robot, but you have to cross check everything. So I suggest you that once you apply, like, or before applying, you simply do a manual check, like if everything is perfect, the keyword has been included. After that, what you can do is you can apply and you can simply optimize your complete website in just under like a day. don't, it doesn't matter like if your website is like very large or like very small, new, doesn't matter. You can do everything with just under one click. Now let's quickly go to one of the main features of Arvow, like which I like very much, and like it is very useful if you are like doing content marketing on your website, if you are regularly publishing content on your website. So for example, this is one of the content which I generated using Arvow. So I simply click on it and we can expand the view from here. And if we click here, we will see the dashboard will look something like this. And you can check the complete article in a very neat and tidy manner. So from here, you can see the quality of article is really well. I haven't done any prompting. I haven't done anything. I have simply placed like this keyword into Arvow, and it has done everything. Like it has included tables, it had included like the images with the alt text, so it is publishing ready. I don't even have to change a single thing. I simply have to copy paste this and publish it onto my website. But there is this AI assistant feature, so it's in beta state, but like it is very smart and like very effective. So for example, if I want to make it more engaging or simply want to simplify for the readers, I can do that. So like you can also do your custom prompting as well. Make it simpler and longer. So basically I want to increase the length of the article and I want to simplify the language of the article. So after that, I'll simply click on this enter button and Arvo will do its magic. So currently it's in thinking stage and it will produce a new article for me depending upon the which feedback I have given it. So for example, if you want to change a specific portion, so you can change that as well. So like I have selected this like paragraph and this handy toolbar will appear in front of you. Now you can ask Arvo to make changes just for this particular paragraph as well. You can rewrite this, make it longer, you can simplify it. There are like few options present here as well. If you believe that like some keywords are missing, you can also add your keywords, and you can also do internal linking, like which is a very interesting feature. Like if you want to take your content marketing to next level. So Arvo is like working right now, so it's thinking a lot. It's like, for example, it's doing a lot of calculation, so it can provide you with a better result that is going to rank number one on Google. So guys, Arvo is saying that it has expanded the article, make it simpler, longer, and added a few detailed explanation as well. So Arvo has done his work. It has completely rewritten the article. It has make it simpler, and basically you can use this AI assistant to do a lot of things. If you want to like change the tone of the article, if you want to make it simpler, if you want to make it more complex, more informative, you can do everything using this handy tool here. So this is how like the big brands, the companies like which are ranking in top, they are using Arvo right now. And if you're not using Arvo, you are losing a lot of business to them. So in my previous video, I've also shown you the results of website like which have started using Arvo, and they have literally skyrocketed their traffic from zero to thousands of keywords and getting thousands of organic traffic on monthly basis. And you can do the same, and it's not like it's very complex. All you have to do is do some basic research, keyword research, and you have to like place your keywords here, and you have to simply click on generate articles. If you want like more detail on like how you can improve the article, I already have a lot of videos on my channel. And guys, if you're liking my effort, if you're liking these video, can you simply comment like AI content writer on this video? So it helps YouTube algorithm getting more reach to the like new audiences. And you can also watch these videos out, and I'll see you next time.